now it's started. For the other colleagues. Not bad. You don't have camera, Mahinur?
No, my laptop is having camera issues.
You have to invest in a camera. It's cheap. It's a few dollars. Okay, yeah. I like to see your faces. We like to see other people's faces. Remember, the meets are not to stay this way. Thank you, Siddhar, for opening the camera. We need your smile. Today is going to be a little bit hard. David Mas, open your camera too.
I'm trying to.
You're trying, that's
I'm
good.
using my phone, but I have
Mattia, buonasera.
Hello, hello.
Gerard, estás a la oficina. It's instantaneous. There is a very short delay between you ask Gerard and Gerard says something in the chat. Thank you, Gerard. Oscar, where are you, man?
Which one? There's two Oscars here.
That's good point, Mr. Carrasco, or relevant mentor from the Canary Island. Open your camera. We saw you for a few seconds. Hey, good. What's that? Noodles? Ice cream?
No, it's curry rice with chicken.
So it's your lunch.
That's why I don't have the camera.
You are
a
little bit late today. It's 4 p.m. in Canary Island. Yes, Island.
Having a late lunch today, yeah.
Okay. If you want to close your camera, you can for a bit.
Yeah, I will open again when I finish.
Sure, thank you for staying here. Rafaida, good afternoon.
Hello all, how are you?
Not bad. And you?
Good.
I see you almost well today. I say almost because your image is not the perfect one, but at least it seems to be improved a bit. So who else is here? Victor Carreras.
Hello.
We have another Victor, but he's not here.
Yeah.
What happens with the .ss package? Is Victor the one that detected this and also made the PR the request change to Google repository because he found the book? Explain it after seconds.
All right. Yeah. I have a bit of talk when a new version is delivered, so I had to have it as soon as it is released. So this is what I did, and yesterday we were with David College were doing pair programming, and I found my version was not working, and jumping with the old with an old Flutter version with FVM as a version manager of Flutter. I start to work as soon as I jump to a previous one. So. I leave it because we were focused just in him project. But when this morning I had time just to review again why it was not working, I found a dependency inside of SSH package had to be upgraded because PNCL, this is used internally to encryption. And an API which it was calling was not exist anymore because Flutter has upgraded. So yeah, that's what I did. I just did a quick review about it, fix it, and yeah, there is a PR waiting for merging.
Good to know. You are a deep collaborator of the Dart packages. So thanks. Who else? David Mas, who are you? You are at least.
I'm fine.
You are at least.
I am.
This is the most important thing, being. At least being. Sorry.
Summer has been
Go.
Has been very weird and very a bit difficult for some personal matters, but things are fixing themselves now. The main problem that I have now is that because of my internet, you probably see me very, very weirdly.
No. We see you perfectly. We see you perfectly, and we listen to you also perfectly with these super gamer headphones you have.
Oh, and the hair has gone away. No.
No hair, but also your buds, your earbuds are so gamer style. RGB. You're RGB today. Okay, who else? Still something? Manas, how are you, Manas?
Yes, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
It is good to be fine. So, guys, this is gonna be short or not, as always. Let me bring my presentation. I'm gonna share the screen here, and I will have to repair this. Still cleaning some of the output in the streaming. It seems to be clear. So let's go. GSoC ends really, and I wanted to put it in caps lock and I didn't remember, really soon. all the things. Time goes fast. How many times I told you this? So as today, and remember, I don't want to criticize anyone, but as today, this is the status from our side. Of course, this is not, I would say, perfect in the sense of our willingness to review your applications. Me and Oscar, that we are the only ones now standing, helping you in the JDA main Liquid Galaxy lab, because you are not usually accomplishing with the dates, and you are not sending the things on the right date. But remember, for some dates we can be a little bit variable, but when the dates from Google arrives, there is no way. I've told you this many times. So the percentage you see here about the completion of your project is an estimate, as I said, because the thing on the right, Ryan has, I would say, some problems on deliver the Docker for you to test the voices. Ryan, I think you have again today another meeting with your mentor Moises. But please, not be only a shaking of your head, but finalizing the thing, because you are very late with this again. Because Ryan, let me ask you another question. What is your test APK?
For the application?
Yeah, you have to develop a demo application.
That's on pause for now. But then Moises asked for me to break the app down to a few steps, and I got the few steps at the beginning working. So I'm gonna try to fix the errors. But yeah,
that's the reason you are a little bit behind, because you are not delivering. I know you're having problems with the Docker. I've had many conversations with Moises those days about you, but the thing is that you have to hurry on and allocate more hours daily, because time is going on. So please, Ryan, go for it. Mahinur.
Yes.
How is your thing we talked yesterday for today?
Yes. I'm nearly finished with the Gemini API, and I'm going to send a new APK today for the app.
Okay, for you all to know a bit, as we've been talking in the other streamings, the applications with locally based models in the IS server are having problems. This is something we know it's going to happen. We are testing different technologies that were not used before, so we know that. And also, I tell you from the very beginning that at some point we have to make decisions on the direction of the project, and we have been with Mahinor, his mentor, and Oscar and other persons on the team on Jada, helping to clean this, but we finally decided yesterday that Maginot's project is changing from Gemma local to Gemini on IPA, and this is something that Maginot already has knowledge because she presented an application in the past for community, and she has the knowledge of how to use the Gemini API. And this is an undergoing thing, I understand. So you will be able, Maginot, to send an updated APK as today.
Yes.
Good. Remember, it can be tomorrow. Well, I told you yesterday, but it's better if you send us it working, because Oscar and I, we are pretty busy with testing your applications, and it will be best that not you only, but the other person sends us a more final application. We don't want to be testing all day long the same errors. Today, with the revisions we make today, almost something like 5 different applications. I would say I am happier than yesterday, and this is normal. We have to push you, and most of you are getting us back this passion in the sense that applications are becoming better. And as you can see on the percentage, at least there are 3 applications that are most ready to go to the Play Store. Maybe tomorrow we start to upload the applications to the Play Store. And this has to be today. But of course, 1 day, 2 days is not something how much. More than 2 days will be a problem, as I told you with the dates. So thank you, Mahinur, for your effort. Manas, we still have some testing with your application. We have to report to you. Gerard is just finishing a few things. So I would say that Rafaida is also almost ready. Almost. Rafaida, have you seen the video?
I just got the email before the meeting immediately, so I couldn't view it.
Okay.
I will go
So
after the meeting.
I would say that there are a few things. It's normal. Remember that we want your applications to be polished for several reasons. The first reason is because there is something that does not work, or it is not clear, a clear UX thing. Google will return us the application automatically. And when I say automatically, it's because they have an automated process that tests everything, and they will say, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. And then we will have the real problems that Oscar will be handling with the Play Store team, and then we will have to go on back with you. And if we try to have the applications more finished, more polite, we will have less error after. Errors will happen. Do not think that the applications are finished. The applications will be finished when we have a link on the Play Store, and this is still weeks in front of us. But okay, as I said, applications have been they're in a better shape. What else? Well, the people in blue have videos, and also there are 3 more persons, because this slide is not up to date. We are all day working. Just 3 of you have received videos, and those are Sidhar, Matia, and Rafaida. You have also received some videos. A video today. Today, I mean, just minutes before to start this meet. So, and Ryan is in blue because he's having another meet with his mentor today, and it's been a hard, I would say, a pretty intense thing. So I confident 110% with my mentor Moises, and also I hope Ryan helps too on this, that they will succeed. So he's having lots of help, and hopefully their thing will go. What else? Mattia, you are on the 95. Hello, Mentor Moises. Hello? Hello? Is Moises there?
Hello, how are you?
We have just said your name a few seconds ago. I was saying that we are we know that you are doing a pretty intense work with your mentee Ryan, and we hope that Ryan helps you back on your support to finally deliver both his main project to be used to other contributors, and also, of course, their demo application that he told us that it's in stop status while you finish the Docker thing. And this is correct. But remember not to pass too many days. Not to you. I'm talking in that case to Ryan. So Rohit Kumar, we still have some tests pending with you. The 60 is not feasible in the sense that we still have testing. So don't count with the number of 60. And with Shiven also. Shiven, are you there? Is Shiven there? No. Shiven is not there. Shiven, we have still some testing of the Docker. Oscar, not Carrasco. Oscar, hello. Pena, Oscar Pena. We have an empty mic. So, this is more or less the status as today, but as I say, there are still some tests pending that we hopefully tomorrow will deliver. Let me say only that if you get back to us saying, okay, my application, if my application is not tested or whatever, many things are happening now, and think that, for example, that we only have one big Liquid Galaxy. We have many smaller ones, but the big one, the 555 inches screen, is only one, and we want your applications to be tested there for real Liquid Galaxy sense. I will go with you in a minute, David Mas, and don't use this because this is not. We will talk about your thing in a minute. I am deliberately leaving you for the end. So, and also, as Oscar can explain you, we have some problems with in the office. We have a very good air condition, but suddenly one of the PCs on the main Liquid Galaxy broke, and we have to change it 2 times. At the 3rd time it worked, and we have the machine out of order for a few days. And also, as you know, most of the work is being done to the Docker projects. I will talk about this later, but we are going to have some specific work on this Docker local server situation. We have a pending meet with Mentor Moises. That, remember, Moises is a Google developer expert in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and also he's a doctor. If you need a doctor, just to call Moises. He's a doctor on this, so his doctorate. He has his PhD on these things, so he's a very knowledgeable guy on this technology, and we are going to have some future proof conversations soon about this. These conversations will not go against this year GSoC, but those will go for the future use of these technologies for the Liquid Galaxy. David, open your mic. Whatever you want to say it publicly. We are an open organization, and most of the things are open. Most of.
Oh, I was during the last week. I've been meeting with Victor.
I know. I talk with our mentors almost daily. I know when you have a meet and what's going on with your project. So.
And we've done a lot of progress. I fixed all of the logic mistakes that there were last week, because we did an intense work on the logic on everything, and I was wondering whether I had to wait to send the APK again and the AAB, or if I can send it now and send it again on Tuesday when I've done.
Do you want to
more
listen
work.
my answer publicly?
Yeah.
My answer is
I
not this.
suppose.
Is not in for your question, David. My answer is because I sent you an email saying a video saying what is the status of your project and what I think you have to do, and you didn't answer me back.
I forgot to answer. I looked at the video. I didn't say anything.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you for saying that I take the effort to make you a 5 minutes video talking about your project and you didn't answer me. Thank you. I appreciate. Bad, man. This is bad. Your project is the only one lagging behind everything. It's at 50%. And when I say 50, it's because your project just is almost, I will say, is worse than when you pass midterm. Worse. So for us, your project is totally bad. You say, I know. You say you're working now. You've been working. You have problems also. You work with your mentor. Fantastic. We know all of you, and I'm almost 100% sure that you will succeed. But in the middle, we cannot be having applications like yours, David, that suddenly do not work. Anything of the things you did before were working in the last versions we have to test. And this is I don't want to name it, but it's very bad because we lose our time, you lose your time, and everything goes bad. So please, David, from my point of view, as I said in my email and in my video, is you have to come to Lleida. You have to work and come to Lleida because your application has to work against the Liquid Galaxy, and you are a happy guy because you live only 1.5 hour of the Liquid Galaxy lab, not like Rohit Kumar that lives 11 hours plane. It's a little bit far away. So please, David, I know you are changing things. You have to deliver. Today is the day that you have to deliver. You and all of you have to deliver a almost ready application. I don't know what's the status, but as I said, I don't want, not me, not Oscar, because we don't have time. We don't want to be testing applications that has no sense. So when you have to send an application to us, please, the application have to work. We don't want to go back saying these logos are bad, this KML is not showing up, all of this. We are almost finishing, and this is has no sense. So, coming back to your question, if you have a more polite application that no works, please send it to us. But for me, David, you have to plan soon to come back to Lleida and have it running on the Liquid Galaxy for real. You can do your work for 100 years, of course, from your home. You can come wherever you want to. Lleida labs are open for you. But please, the situation with your project is the worst of all the projects. And I don't like to say this because you've been with us for many months, and this has to be in the contrary.
Okay.
Good. Again, I am almost 100% sure you're going to succeed. Not at this moment. At this moment, you are, from our point of view, with the application we have, you are failed. But we know this is not the situation because for midterm, your application work is know that your application is not working. So you have a very bad situation. You want publicly mentor? Oh, where is mentor? Victor is not there. Victor. Sorry, do you want to comment something on David projects publicly? Whatever you want, if you want something. I mean, we don't have to have these open conversations because those are a little bit private. But I like also that all the students know a little bit how is the status of the others and also what problems happens, because this is a lesson for everyone.
I would like to, maybe this is not the best moment to give this kind of advice, but I don't know if some other people could be affecting or facing this kind of issue, but I am seeing several times the most common mistake in development software, or at least when we start in it, is duplicating or 3 or 4 times things that could be located in a single place, because at the end it's the best way to scale our software for new features or other new implementation that we want to do. So just keep this in mind. This is
Okay, no problem, Victor. This was not prepared, so let's continue for not staying too much long. I think there are... So, today is the delivery day of the application. Rohit, how many people have sent us the application as today? In Europe is midday, Ryan is just wake up, and Rohit is almost going to the bed. How many people have sent us the applications? Rohit Kumar. Yeah, go. Mute yourself, Rohit.
Yes, I have uploaded the latest application on the drive.
You have uploaded your application?
Yeah, today itself.
Today? Is yours ready? Fantastic. As I always say, this was a joke. Talking, I was not saying about you. I can say it to any person of the meet. What I want to say is that most of you, and always this information cannot be updated because you say you have sent it today, but maybe there are some problems with the directory or the way you send information. This happens all day long. And I'm not talking about you, Rohit. But I say that, I will say, most of you haven't sent the applications today. And except for Ryan. Yeah, of course, Rafaida. I'm not criticizing. I'm only saying again that the point is that you have to deliver on dates. And you still have and I don't want to name persons, but in Egypt it's 6:31 in the afternoon, so you have still plenty of hours to work. Ryan has all day long. And the other... So, Rohit, you see, you have not uploaded the content, so you don't have uploaded the thing. The APK is not the thing. We are talking about the Play Store contents. The delivery day is for the whole thing, not for the application, but for the contents for the going to the Play Store. So the answer is you have not also sent this. Guys, what I wanted to show with this is that we are on the day 8. You have to deliver an almost finished application. Of course, the testing of the application goes at their speed. But if we don't start now the process of uploading your applications to the Play Store, you will not succeed GSoC. And I've been saying this for weeks and months because we know how the process goes. And usually it's a very hard process. They will, and every time Play Store is becoming more, I would say, difficult to publish, or I will say more tight on their own methods. I mean, they have the right, the application, the Play Store is theirs, but we need plenty of time to send the applications to the Play Store. So please finish your app and send us the final app next to the contents. And Rohit said, I've sent the application. Not real. We're saying the Play Store contents. Two different things together. The application in AAB, and also the different screenshots, the different text, the different icons, etc. Okay. And again, we will not allow delays. If we allow delays, you are going to have problems. And please, we don't want you to fail GSoC. You know this from months ago. So let's review again the calendar. Today was the delivery day. We hope you deliver as soon as possible. From now, you still have to be receiving videos and whatever things from us, but please do not send applications back to us that have not corrected the things we say to you in the videos. We will not accept at some point these applications, and your application will go to the end, and we don't know when this will be reviewed, so you can have problems. So please send us only applications that have solved the problems you have, because this is happening all day long. You send us the same bad logos, bad whatever, bad KMLs, bad code, bad whatever. So you will have plenty of time from now till the end to solve these errors. In the meantime, you will be having an interaction with Oscar and me for uploading the application to the Play Store. You will have to prepare your demo day video. Very important, August 20. This day is one of the days that we do not condone in any way. If we don't have your video for August 20, you will have a problem. because we need dice to edit the whole thing. And then remember, August 24 is demo day. It's the most important day in the GSoC for you. And this will be a live meet as today, and also we will be launching the pre-recorded videos using NAST and the ones we will record at the Liquid Galaxy Lab Lleida. And also, hopefully, most of your mentors will send us a video talking about your thing in GSoC. So this is our biggest event. Have water, reserve all the afternoon or the morning in the case of Brian for this, because it's the key point. Think about, we, all the mentors, will evaluate your application on final success or not based on the demo day materials. And also, of course, the other questions like your documentation, your GitHub, your work log, all this. On September 3, the most important day for real, when Google sends you an email and says, okay, you have passed GSoC or you have not passed. We hope no one of you received this email. What else? I've shown you these slides for many times, so this is not new. Again, demo day, how to? Demo day, remember, this is for the 24 is the demo day, but for the 20, for August 20, we are still at 8, so you have 12 dice. You have to have your own video in 3 parts. Okay? Good light, sound, resolution. This 100 Fs with an F is not good. Present yourself, the goals of your project. Go to a deep technical explanation of your project. What techniques you use, if you use anything in your project, what models, what other AI tools, and then make a demo of your application, 3 minutes maximum. I mean, don't stay forever. Sometimes the students send us a 20 minutes video, and this cannot be because we are 12 persons that have to show their content, and this will be a 6-hour streaming, and we don't want that. So total, your video will be 15 minutes, including the introduction, the demonstration of your app, and also a 2 minutes live explanation of your GSoC experience. We decide that we are gonna reuse this video, the experience video. Usually we want a video from you longer, but for you giving more time to do errors, things, and your projects, we are gonna reuse both the technical part of your video and your part of experience video. Remember, those are 3 parts, totally differentiated. We will reuse this for other streamings and other presentations we need to do. We'll add the demo at the Lleida Liquid Galaxy Lleida Liquid Galaxy rig, and as I said, reserve a few hours and have water. It will be a large streaming. And again, this is a must for all the contributors. Today is, who is the person that is not here? Shiven is not here? Shiven is not here. Okay, let's go. So this calendar is for the code reviews. The code reviews are, as I said, initially we wanted to have a specific video where you will be live reviewing your code. Okay. But we are at this moment, as I said in the last phrase, you can reuse this video for the demo day. So you will have only to record a video, technical video, once, and then you will reuse this standalone for the live code reviews. I don't know if you get the point. So initially there were 2 different videos. One video was the live code reviews, and one video will be the demo day review. But as the demo day technical side, but as the technical thing is the same, you have to explain your code and what techniques you use and so on. So we are asking that the part, listen good to my words, and if you don't understand, please ask me now. The part of the technical presentation, that all of this demo day thing you have to deliver for the August 20, but take a look at the calendar on the right. There are two persons only, that will have to deliver a little bit early, because we will take this part of the video, of the demo day video, and make a standalone thing presenting your code. I mean, you will not have to record it 2 times, okay? So it's only 1 day, it's nothing, because most of you will send us the demo day before. Almost no one send us the demo day the 20, because we'll have a problem. Usually people will send us 1, 2, or 3 days before. So, Siddharth, open your mic. Question time. What have you understood from my words?
Like we have to create only one video for technical, and we can use it for like live and for demo day also. And for the like experience one, for that also we have to create only one, and like it will be like reused for experience and like detail section.
Perfect. 10. Applause. Perfect. Thank you, Siddharth. It seems to be that I at least you have understood me. I don't see the other faces from the... Hello, Shiven, you are back with us. Could you please open your camera and say hello?
I'm sorry, I got a fever or something. I was late because of that. I just got a little bit better.
Okay. So let's continue. Remember, this is being recorded. This you already have the video on the Discord, so you can review all the stuff later. So what we are gonna have is you already have the entry in your calendar. This is only for the people that has artificial intelligence projects, but of course all the other are invited to assist to the live streaming. We are gonna have a sharing experience of the AI things for this year. So Mahinur, Mana, Shiven, who else? Ryan, there is Rohit. So all of you that are involved in an artificial intelligence project, you already have an email from me with slides. You have to fill up the slides, and on this presentation, what you will be doing, presented how you finally solve the thing in the technology side, explaining to all of the other guys. But this streaming will be more about talking in a community sense, debating among us how the thing has gone. I mean, we have to make changes. Mahinur become from one track to the other. Other projects are still not being fully tested due to the Docker issues. So I want to have a conversation with you, not me, but also senior mentors. Vedan will make a smile and say, yes, I will be there. Yash will be there too if he wants. Oscar is all the mentors. Victor, of course, and Moises, that is a pretty busy guy, but we want to have a shared conversation, not just as today I am a talking head to you. Conversation among us about explaining how this year has gone the experience, and then sharing the knowledge, and maybe starting to make some decisions for the future. Okay, you already have the invite for the 20, and we'll have this conversation. You have to fill up the slides. Okay, well, for the last week, you have to deliver everything. Remember, your punctuation on GSoC will be based on the demo day, and also, of course, if your application is being published on the Play Store, your GitHub is fully updated, your documentation is correct, your work log is up to date, and of course the PlayStation or the Play Store link. I'm saying PlayStation. On August 26, we will present the streaming experience that will be a part of your demo day video. And on August 26th, GSoC ends. Mentors will be delivering your evaluation this week. And after us comes Google. And on September 3, the final announcement from Google, that is the one that pays you, will be in your inbox. What else? Dates, please. Don't want to go in with this. Do not file again with dates. We have a problem. Our dates are totally calculated. We've been doing this for many years on GSoC, 14 years. We know the dates how work. If you don't go for the dates, you will have problems, and we do not want you to have problems. You know those dates from months ago, so please stay attached to the calendar. The talking head has finished. I'm opening the mic if any of you wants to make some comment, questions. Rofaida, the only question is that one, so thank you, Rofaida. Other questions? Mentors, do you have something in mind? Bedan is smiling. No? The one?
I would just say that the problems these contributors are facing now, many of them would have been solved if they would have communicated publicly on Discord. That's just my opinion.
It's a curious opinion. I will say that I agree totally with you, and I will add something. This is a community. Usually we talk. This year, Discord is something that is silent. Nobody is asking things there. I mean, there has been a few changes of messages on Discord, and we think this is a good tool. And also, I will say that, of course, you have your mentor, but your mentor can be specialized in one question and the other. Not all the mentors know all the software stacks we use. I will say that you also don't attend and don't understand rightly, don't follow the guidelines. We also have we did a very large effort with Deb, Kadani, with Siddhar, with Vedan to fill up the wiki, and there were persons that did errors that are totally solved on the wiki. Just make a search and you will find how the things work. Also, I will be asking all of you this will be in a few days. I will be asking all of you to at least contribute one question that has happened to your project that can be added to the wiki. One piece of code, one problem, one whatever, to be added to the wiki for each contributor. But I don't want to mess with you with these things now. This will be more at the end of the GSoC, where you're more relaxed, hopefully. And yes, I agree with you, Vedan. If they exchange things, they have less trouble with, usually with very, I would say, simple things. Orbits, aspect ratios of the logo, very simple SSH connections, and so on. What else? More questions? Ladies and gentlemen. No questions? That's perfect. So, please, GSoC is finishing. Believe me, we are a few weeks away, and those weeks are going to be also have to be a little bit more relaxed for you if you complete with having the application finished. But expect that the publishing on the Play Store will be not as easy. Maybe we hope it is, but usually it is not. Reviewers are very hard, and we will have to have this fast iteration with you, exchanging things for uploading to the Play Store, and this will be on Oscar's work, but with your help and the help of everyone in the community. So guys, thank you, and continue the work. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.